Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alec, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial I will show you step by step how to create your first WordPress post. By the end of this video you will know how to add a title, text, subtitles, an image, and embed a video in your post. In my previous videos I showed you how to create your first page by creating an About page, and how to create a contact page and add a contact form. Creating a post is very similar to creating a page, and now is the time to make your first post in WordPress. If I go to my posts section, you can see that there are no posts on the list. To start creating your first post, click the Add New Post button at the top of the page. A page for creating a post will open. This page is divided into two sections, a title section and a content section. To add a title, click here where it says Add Title. As this is just a dummy post for demonstration purposes, I will enter how to create your first WordPress post. After adding the title, now it's time to add some text to the content section, but before you do that, let me introduce you to the WordPress content blocks. If you click on this plus icon on the right, a drop-down menu will open with several options to add a specific block to your post. It can be any of these 6 you can see right now. If you click the Browse All option, a new column on the left will open with even more options to add to your content section. Scrolling down shows all available block options divided into sections like text, media, design, etc. To start adding text, you don't have to select the paragraph block because WordPress assumes that you want to do that, so it has this type / to choose a block section to edit. For any other type of block, like a subtitle, image, or video, you must select the appropriate icon first and insert that type of content into your text when its menu opens. To add a first paragraph, I will open my notepad, select the text, copy it, and paste it. Now I want to add a subtitle. I will click this plus sign on the right and select the heading block. When it opens, I will open my notepad again, copy the subtitle, and paste it in the heading section. Above this heading, you can see the heading menu with additional options. For best practices, always use heading 2 for your primary subtitles and heading 3 for subtitles, as heading 1 is already reserved for your post title. Now let's add another paragraph under this subtitle. I will open my notepad again, select the text, copy it, click here and paste it under the heading 2 subtitle. Now let's add a second subtitle and change it to heading 3. Again, I will open my notepad, copy the second subtitle, click this plus sign, select heading, and paste it in the heading section. But this time I will select H3. I will now add the last paragraph by copying it and paste it below this last subtitle. When you finish adding content and want to see how it looks, click the Save Draft button to save changes. Then click this little icon, which looks like a little laptop, at the top of the page and click on Preview in New tab. Scroll down to see how it looks. And now let me show you how to add an image and embed a video to make it visually appealing. For example, if you want to add an image after the first paragraph, hover your mouse over this space until you see this plus sign. When you click on it, select the image block. The image block will open with some options for adding images. I don't have any images on my website, so I will click on Upload to upload it from my website folder on my PC. Select the desired image and click Open. Uploading a video to your website and inserting it in your text can drastically slow down your website. A much better option is to insert a link from a YouTube video. To do that, go to YouTube, hover over any video, right-click and select Copy Link Address. Go back to your post page, scroll down, click this plus sign, select the YouTube block and paste the video link in it. Click on Embed and that's how you embed a video from YouTube in your post. Click Save Draft to save all changes and preview how it looks in the new tab. If everything is okay and you want to publish this post to make it visible online, click the Publish button and again to confirm its publishing. Click View Post to open it, and this is how it looks on your website. If you click on your website title, in my case alekonline.com, this is how your post will look on your website's home page. If you want to add a featured image, click the post title and then click Edit Post. Click the slider on the right until you see the featured image section. Click on it, select your uploaded image and click Set Featured Image. Click on Update to save the changes, and if you click on View Post and then click on your website title, the image will be added to your post snippet on your homepage. And that's it. This is how you create your first post in WordPress. Like all my other tutorials, I made this one easy to understand so you can get all the answers you might have before watching it. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will make easier for others who want to learn how to create their first post in WordPress to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.